Hey guys, today's the day. We got 40,000 pound boat lift done over here at Harbor Point for Mr. Lambert. He brought his boat up down south somewhere, got here Saturday, and now we're headed over there Monday morning to get it lifted. We got good calm water, so we shouldn't have any issues getting the bunks adjusted just right underneath the boat. It's got shafts on it, so we got to make sure we don't put the bunks where the shafts are. But I'll get some more videos of that as we go along and show you what it looks like. Appreciate you guys watching the channel. Sorry I'm not able to post as much as I like. Just got a lot going on, stay pretty busy. Appreciate it. She's here, there it is. 40-foot Cabo. Fixing to get on the boat lift. That'll be quite impressive up on that lift up there. That's a tall boat. Guys, we got that baby lifted. You can see that is a tall Cabo right there. Put you on my YouTube page if you don't mind. Check it out. 38, 40-foot Cabo. On a good golden sea dry boat lift, 40,000 pound lift. Went ahead and went a little bit bigger with it in case you get something bigger later on. Had to get the bunks adjusted just right up underneath there. If you can see that, had a bunch of stuff sticking out, transducers and through hole stuff. And we also had to thread it in between the shaft and stop the bunk short of the prop, as you can see. It looks really good. This is the same customer's lift that owns the big Cabo over there. He's got a smaller boat, a little bay boat for fishing. This one actually made it through Hurricane Sally. We had to do some remodeling with it, change some motors out, put a new cable on it, some new bunks on it, and got it back in working order for him. This is another boat lift we changed out at the end of the marina. It had a no-profile boat lift that got pretty much messed up during the Hurricane Sally. So we took both of those out, put a new golden sea dry boat lift in, and got it flush mounted with the deck. Looks pretty good. Got the lift put in and boats lifted up. Working great. Here we are over at the Oyster Bar now in Perdido Key. Got another 40,000 pound lift we're putting in right here. We got a pole set for it now. We use 40 footers so you get a bigger diameter size when we cut them off for the lift to sit on. We got 6 of them set. We got 2 more to set. And then we'll be ready to put the lift on. Should have that hopefully done this afternoon. Electrician will be showing up over here tomorrow. Get it all wired up. And I believe the customer's coming in on Monday to put his boat on. It's a boat that the guy out there that owns that big boat out there. He owns another, I think it's a 45 footer going in here. Not sure what it is. But we'll be ready to get it lifted up for out of the water. Hey guys, had a pretty good productive day yesterday. We got all the poles finally set. I had a mismeasurement, it was my bad. But we got one pole, had to move over. I measured it just a little bit wrong. So yeah, I do make mistakes sometimes, but we got it fixed and got the lift put up, got all the top carrier beams put in, got scaffolding up, got the poles cut down for the top carrier beams. Now we got the I-beams over here and the bunks laying on the dock. We're gonna pick those up with the barge right there, or in the tractor, and get them set in place there. And then Johnny will start putting them all together and get it all hung properly. We got the electrician coming out today to look at getting it wired up, hopefully have everything wired up by Saturday so the customer can put his boat on the lift on Monday. Hey, finally made it back over to the job where we did this 40,000 pound lift over at the Oyster Bar in Perdido Key, and just want to show what that looks like. Looks like the customer's taking a boat out today, so the boat is not here, but we do have the lift right here. I'm going to show you a little bit more up close details on the lift. Continuous bump board down the middle with a big Grady white that sits on it. Forgot the actual size. I might have mentioned it earlier in the video, but here it is now. Got the electrical done. It is a Golden Sea Drive boat lift. Top of the line, that's all we install. A lot quieter lift. Definitely a lot more reliable. Triple pull cable, half-inch cable. Little step out area right there where you step out easy onto the boat, reach the boat a little bit easier. Some beautiful yachts going by right now on the Intercoastal Waterway. There you go. That's the whole lift right there. Put your 45 footer in there. Appreciate you guys watching my channel, and leave the comments you got. If you would, feel free to give me a like, subscribe, and share the channel with anybody else. Thank you. How you doing, buddy? Cooling off? Boy, Chief. Checking that wood. Hey, Gal. Say hey. Say hey there, buddy. Gatlin. What you guys doing? You're like, why in the heck are you standing up here? Come get in the water. It's cooler. What are you doing, Chief? Gatlin? Good boys. Gatlin. What you got? Ready? Get ball. Come on. Finally got in the water. Good boy, Gatlin. Gatlin's my hood ornament.